Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dayton Audio DAX88 amplifier and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you might want to do this. If you're having any troubleshooting issues with your amplifier where it's not connecting to the network, or it's not pairing or syncing with the app or your device, or it seems to be frozen or not responding or anything like that, can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you will need to set it up again as everything will be restored to its factory default settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting this amp up in a new situation, or just for whatever reason you want to just get a fresh start, like it's coming out of the box new, we can go ahead and do that straight from the app. It's pretty simple. All we need to do is, first of all, we're going to come up here and we're just going to make sure, if you've got multiple of these, up here we'll actually have the name of the specific one. Just make sure you've got the right one. You probably only have one, but if you don't, you might want to, you can tap up here to actually select which one you're trying to do. And then we're going to tap the settings icon here. And then from the settings icon, we'll get this menu here. We can select the factory reset. This will open up a little confirmation reset page. We'll go ahead and hit reset. And then it'll take about 3 or 4 minutes to do the fully reset, at which point you can just let it do its thing, at which point you can just set it up as a new device.